When you use Google Drive for a while, there may be many files inside your Google Drive storage. So it may be difficult to find a file inside your Google Drive, and it's like a mess inside the Google Drive. But fortunately, there are some options we can use to manage our files and maintain our Google Drive storage when we use it for long time. There is a search bar inside the Google Drive, and if you want to find any file inside the Google Drive, you can search it in the search bar. Okay, let's find for doc. Okay, this is Google Doc. When we click on it, it's open. It means if you want to find a document inside the Google Drive, we can find it in the search bar. If you find for a doc number 3, it's also there. These are sample documents which I have created for this video. Press method and the easiest method to handle our file or find one of a file which we have saved inside our Google Drive is search bar. Okay. Then there are some options inside the Google Drive to sort our files. This is the first one, name. When we click that arrow, the names are sorting according to the alphabet. You can see that. And then you can sort the file according to the notification date. When you click the arrow, the sorting is automatically arranged. And we can change the modified method also. Last modified by me, last opened by me, last modified, like that. There are few options there. By using those sorting methods, we can arrange our files. And it's the second method which I have mentioned here. And the method number 3 is filters. We can use filters to find our documents and arrange our documents inside our Google storage. And we can select the file type, owner, and there are some other options we can set, and by using these filters we can search documents inside the Google Drive. And method number 3 is arrange our files manually by using folders. We can create new folders and we can drag and drop these files inside to those folders. By using that method, we can arrange our files manually. When selecting files, we can hold the control button and click on documents. Then we can select multiple documents and we can drag and drop into that folder. You can see all those 3 documents are inside the folder number 1 which I have created for example. That's the 4th number of our managing methods inside the Google Drive. It's a manual method. We can arrange all the files into our well arranged folders. Like that, we can manage our files inside our Google Drive. I think if you use Google Drive for a long time, it's better to arrange your folders according to your usage or something. You can keep it with your mind. Otherwise, all the folders or files may get messed and you will not be able to find your files inside the Google Drive. If you want to delete folders inside the Google Drive, there are a few methods. First method is you can click on the folder, enter the delete button and it will get deleted. If you want to remove it, you can right click on the file and click on remove. And if you want to delete them permanently, you can use to delete that file inside the trash. When you click the trash, you can find the deleted files. These are deleted previously and we can delete it. Then we cannot regain it. Those are permanently deleted. Delete forever. Right click on the deleted file and select deleted forever. If you want to restore the files, you can do it by clicking on it and right click and restore. I think now you can manage your files inside the Google Drive. And let's meet with my next video. In my next video, I will teach you how to upload and download your files inside the Google Drive. Thank you.